Welcome friends. In this video, we are going to show you the best and easy ways to recover deleted files from the recycle bin after empty. Have you accidentally deleted some files, say photos, videos, documents that you weren't supposed to and now you just realize that you want them back? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Just follow these steps to recover files from a recycle bin on any Windows computer. Even you've emptied the recycle bin, you'll have options to get any file back. Before we start, it's important to understand where the files go after you deleted them. Alright, when a file gets deleted, it moves to the recycle bin. Unless you empty the recycle bin totally clean, the deleted files stay there. That's why we always rely on the recycle bin to restore files if accidentally deleted, and it's pretty simple to do the recovery. So the first approach of recovering deleted files is to look into the Windows recycle bin, and restoring from the recycle bin requires only 3 steps. Okay, double-click the recycle bin icon on your Windows desktop to open it. Find whether your deleted file you want to restore is there. If yes, click on that file, right-click on it, and then choose Restore option. You're good to go. The deleted files are restored to the original location. Make sure you know where the files originally store before the deletion. Or you can drag the files to your desktop or any folder as you wish for restoration. So this is how to recover files that have been deleted from a Windows computer. Note that you won't be able to bring back your files from the recycle bin if it's emptied, or if the files were deleted via Shift key and Delete key. The Shift deleted files bypass the recycle bin and end up being removed permanently. Alright, solution 2. Retrieve deleted files after emptying recycle bin via file history. With the option, Backup using file history enabled to set up a backup to an external drive before removing the files to recycle bin, you'll be able to recover the permanently deleted files from the file history backup. This is working for Windows 8.1, Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's start. Right-click the Windows Start icon and choose Search. In the search field, type Restore your files with file history and select it. File history window should now open, displaying different versions of your files or folders. Of course, if you never use the file history feature, the window shows nothing here. Now, find and select your deleted files you want to restore, and click the green Restore icon at the bottom to get back the files to the original location. If you guys want to restore the file to a different location, you can also do this. Right-click the Restore icon, choose Restore to, and specify a new folder where you want the recovered files put back in. Now, we come to solution 3. Restore files from a Windows backup. Specifically, it's the Backup and Restore feature in any Windows computer which can be used to create a full backup of files to an external hard drive, external SSD or other removable drives to guard against accidental deletion, crash, corruption as well as system formatting. Alright. Make sure to plug in the drive where the backup file stored into your computer. Here I used a USB drive to back up my files prior to deleting, so I connect it to my computer. After that, search for Control Panel and open it. Under System and Security, choose Backup and Restore, Windows 7. From the window that opens, click Restore My Files in the Restore section, and follow the instructions to get any deleted files back. It's all that simple. So the 2 backup and restore route is practical for file recovery, and for even the emptied recycle bin restoration. The problem now is that you don't have any backup, and obviously, those methods are not working for you. Alright, if you have no idea of how to find the deleted files after the recycle bin is emptied, let's come to the solution 4. Recover lost files using a file recovery utility, like AppGeeker Data Recovery. We've also put a download link in the description section below. Before we started, it's also important to know the factors that affect the chances of getting your files back. Every computer has a smart file storage that include pointers for each file. Whenever a file is deleted or seems to be permanently gone, the pointer is removed and the space it occupies is marked as available for storing subsequent files. This means that the actual file is not wiped, and will stay on the hard drive until it's overwritten by any new data. The overwrite could happen at any time, and once it happens, no one in the world can help you recover the previously deleted files. So please use the computer as little as possible once the file deletion or recycle bin empty takes place. And try the file recovery software as quickly as possible to make your deleted files visible and accessible. So much for that. Okay, download and install AppGeeker Data Recovery. To avoid your file being overwritten, you need to get it on a different drive that doesn't contain your deleted or lost files or onto an external drive. This will help you get a better chance of recovering your files. Now, we're gonna open the application. As you guys can see from its intuitive user interface, the software can recover images, audio files, videos, emails, documents and other files from your computer's hard drive disk, all kinds of removable drives, as well as from recycle bin. Let's say we've emptied the recycle bin and we need a deleted photo back. So we show you how to restore the emptied recycle bin and recover the deleted photos. Okay, from the main interface, choose Image, check the recycle bin, and click the Scan button. The software will do a quick scan to find anything the recycle bin, and the process will be finished within a while. Once done, all photos will be displayed on the window and are categorized by image file format like PNG, JPG, JPEG and so on. Click to open the folder and browse for your deleted files there. In general, the quick scan mode allows you to quickly recover the files that are still in the recycle bin. Maybe some files are set as hidden items that you can't find. If this is your case, check the files, click the Recover button. Another case here. In the resulting window within quick scan mode, you will also find that files completely deleted from the recycle bin will marked with a red trash can. This means that the files are corrupted, and to get them back, you will need to dig a little deeper. We are going to click the Deep Scan button at the upper right corner of the window to let the software do a thorough search for the lost or modified files. The process will take some minutes or even an hour depending on how much data in the recycle bin. When the scan is done, you will see all files that are deleted, lost, disappeared, or modified on the screen along with the file names. Spend some time to look through all these files you were looking for. Once you find your file, double-click it for a preview and select them one by one to recover. When you're satisfied with your selections, hit the Recover button at the bottom. When asked, specify a folder to save back the recovered items. And finally press the OK button to begin recovering. Let's navigate to this path to validate the recovered file. As you can see, I've successfully recovered my deleted photos from recycle bin, even after it's emptied. I hope this was helpful. If you have any question about recovering any files, please add your comments below, I'll respond to you. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done already. Thank you so much for watching.